Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're looking to watch live sports, TV shows, and movies on your Firestick, then FuboTV is a great option. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly install FuboTV on your Amazon Firestick. Let's dive in. Section 1. Checking compatibility. First things first, make sure your Firestick is connected to the internet and running the latest software update. To check, go to Settings greater than My Fire TV greater than About, greater than Check for updates. If an update is available, install it before proceeding. Section 2. Installing FuboTV. Now, let's get FuboTV installed. Here's what you need to do. From the Firestick home screen, go to Find and then select Search. Type in FuboTV using the on-screen keyboard. Click on the FuboTV app from the search results. Select Download or Get to install the app. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create an account. Section 3. Signing up for FuboTV. If you already have a FuboTV account, simply enter your login details. If not, you can sign up directly from the app or visit fubo.tv on your phone or computer to create an account. FuboTV offers a free trial for new users, so you can test it out before subscribing. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully installed FuboTV on your Firestick. Now you can enjoy live sports, movies, and more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.